Welcome to LinkedIn Search 101. In this module, you will learn how to bypass standard search limits using the Google Site Hack, apply advanced Boolean logic, uncover hidden search interfaces within the platform, and create live trackers through dynamic URL bookmarking. Here's how to use advanced LinkedIn search strategies more effectively. One of the most powerful techniques is called the Google Site Hack. Instead of searching directly inside LinkedIn, open Google and type a search like site:linkedin.com/in space CMO and San Francisco. This allows Google to pull public LinkedIn profiles based on your exact criteria. You can also combine advanced Boolean operators like and, or, not, and quotation marks to create more targeted searches. For example, you can search for site:linkedin.com/in space marketing director and healthcare, not recruiter. This helps you narrow down highly specific prospects faster than traditional keyword searches. Another hidden feature exists inside your LinkedIn Connections page. Click My Network from the top navigation bar. Then click Connections on the left side. Once your connection list opens, you'll notice a secondary search bar above your contacts. This is a separate internal search tool designed specifically for searching your first-degree network quickly. You can instantly locate existing connections by name, company, or keyword without running a full LinkedIn search. Another useful strategy is saving dynamic search URLs. After building a complex LinkedIn search using filters and Boolean keywords, copy the full URL from your browser address bar and save it as a bookmark. Every time you reopen that bookmark, LinkedIn automatically reruns the live search using the same criteria with updated results. You can also combine these strategies with external tools like evyAI. Once you identify the right people, use the evyAI side panel to save profiles, organize prospects, generate contextual outreach, research accounts, and engage with leads more efficiently. That wraps up LinkedIn Search 101. Congratulations on completing the course and happy prospecting!